Imagine, if you will, a home that will not rot, will not burn, will not blow down in hurricane force winds, and is resistant to seismic activity. Imagine that same home that goes up in half the time at about 20% less cost than conventional construction, with less labor and less time in the field. Imagine the quality control that can be developed from precast solutions that are developed under stringent quality standards in a factory and then delivered to the job site with tilt-up erection methods. Imagine a commercial building that you have the same kind of benefits, but you save 50% on your heating and cooling bills. Imagine an apartment building or a hotel where you don't hear the person next door because of the sound attenuation properties of our walls. Imagine, if you will, driving on a road, and this road is it's been there for 20 years and you really haven't seen much degradation in the road surface because of the insulating factor of our advanced technology.
This proprietary foam process creates uniform cells of air that makes a remarkable lightweight product, while at the same time maintaining strength and integrity. Coretech lightweight products are used for streets, highways, commercial buildings, power plants, levees, countertops, marine products, curbs, railroad applications, and in the development of affordable housing. Besides the obvious advantages of being extremely lightweight and cost-efficient, Coretech materials are excellent for sound insulation. The thermal insulation properties insulate better and save on the high cost of heat and air conditioning. Even more important is the fire, storm, and flood-resistant nature of the product.
Cellular concrete is an extremely highly fire-resistant material.
Coretech International is a green technology building products company, and we're coming out of 5 years of consistent research and development. We took technology that was developed in Germany, and we had some rebirthing in Canada, and we spent the last 5 years in consistent research and development to develop what is truly the finest green technology building product on the market anywhere.
It's true, home building has not changed much during the last 100 years and continues to use highly flammable wood, stucco, and plastic-based materials. When they burn down, are blown down, or knocked down by tornadoes, hurricanes, and floods, they're just built up again the same way. Coretech cellular materials hold up when conventional materials fail.
I believe that we have here products to create a paradigm shift in world infrastructure.
Coretech cellular concrete is a concrete with no aggregate, no sand, no gravel, no aggregate. And replacing the aggregate in concrete is a matrix of air bubbles. And we have a proprietary chemical foaming agent which produces this matrix of air bubbles. And we use polymers to actually inject within the mix, and using our proprietary chemistry and mechanical blending systems, we have air bubbles that actually have strength.
The reduced labor cost to install, the flowable application, and workability of the product are other reasons that Coretech makes economic sense. The company has brought together a powerful management team and a staff of world-class technical engineers with an impressive track record of success.
You can go into a building that costs you less to build and delivers a much superior building now and over the long term. It saves you money now, it saves you money over the long term through less cost to heat and cool. Or if you're a Department of Transportation and your job is to build roads, if you can build more roads for less money with less maintenance cost, doesn't it make a lot of sense to do so?
Nature is not backing off, and the costs continue to mount. Traditional wood building products are hurting the environment and are not lasting through the deluge. Our U.S. coastlines are susceptible to hurricane-force winds. Impoverished countries need housing and roads, and war-torn areas like Iraq need to be rebuilt in a cost-effective way. Coretech is the world leader in the development of affordable housing systems, road building systems, industrial, railroad expansion, and restoration. Coretech cellular concrete will change the world.